Beyond NDAs, what else do you need beyond that non-disclosure agreement that people may have told you you need for your business? This can be a very important piece of knowledge for you. An NDA is great, a non-disclosure agreement, because the other person is saying they won't disclose your information. Here's the problem with that. We don't know what the other person is actually going to do. What if they do violate that NDA? What if they do go out and tell people? Now, whether they're a big entity, whether they're credit worthy, whether they can be sued, whether you can realistically collect from them, these all then become very important pieces of information at that point, which is why I want you to back up. Many businesses don't do that analysis at the time of writing an NDA. They don't sit down and say, hey, not only do I want you to sign that you're not going to violate this and you're not going to give away my confidential information, but I also want to know how I'm going to be made whole if my confidential information is given out. For some businesses, giving out your confidential information could essentially kill your business. That is how serious it is. Is that other person going to be able to pay the price if they do that? That's why we need to look deeper. We need to look at assets. We need to look at collectability, whether that person is the type of person that stands behind their agreements, whether they've got a good reputation, or are they a person that shies away from responsibility, whether it's a person or a company or whoever's on the other side of the contract. Are they going to stand up when times get tough? That is the step beyond NDAs that will make a big difference in protecting your business. Maybe there's some people that should just never even have access to your confidential information. Sure, selling more is very tempting. Bringing in another investor is very tempting. But if you're taking a big risk of potentially destroying your business or destroying your profitability, is it worth it? You got to do these types of analysis up front. The time to do it is before you give out the confidential information. But I recommend you make this analysis as part of your standard operating procedure. If you have questions about business and business law, go ahead and drop them below. But remember, comments on a channel like this are not confidential. For confidential communications, talk to an attorney of your choosing. And I hope you subscribe to the channel so we can talk more in the future.